low to mid taper here. My client's trying to grow out his hair, so we're gonna go ahead and use our trimmers, make our first guideline right here. Kind of matching up the eyebrow and the beginning of the ear right here, you know. Next up, our clipper, no guard lever open. And with this, you want to try and kind of flick out as much as possible. We want to blend in already, just so we can keep it lower and not remove too much hair. And we're going to use our shaver. Next up is our one, lever open, flicking out, little pressure, and just using the corners. You can see it's already coming together. Just close the lever. Put the line underneath. As you can see, it's already looking pretty good. The next step I will be taking, and probably the last one, is just thinning shears and my comb, just kind of blending in whatever's hanging over. I'm just detailing the bottom line or the bottom line, because I think I forgot to remove it. There we go. Now we're going to use our trimmer and line this up.